good morning everyone. We are once again back from the cleanest city in India, not once but 6 times in a row. Yes, that is the repute of Indore, and to add to the pride of, we are in the Holkar Stadium, and the first game between Andhra and Bihar, the first of the double headers today. It's going to be a cracking game.
आप टॉस जीते हैं आशुतोष, क्या करना चाहेंगे?
हम बल्लेबाजी करेंगे।
पहली बॉल गिरती हुई इस मैच की।
The way that ball came onto the bat will give a lot of confidence to the batters. That's what you want to see. That's a cracking shot, short and wide, and that's the first boundary. Short and wide again. It's an action replay of what happened a couple of balls back. That's another one, short and wide. No chance, point fielder being there. That's another short ball outside off stump. No need to put those hands in the air because that's short and wide again.
एक बार फिर बड़ा है, हवा में जरूर है, काफी दूर हनुमा विहारी से, और ऐसा लगता है कि 6 रन शायद, बिल्कुल 6 रन.
This time around going across the stumps and he's hoisted it over the boundary. That's a 6. This is good batting by Bipin.
और जबरदस्त शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, कवर के ऊपर से 4 रन, और इसी के साथ अर्धशतक पूरा बाबुल का. बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी, 52 पर पहुंचते हुए बिना कोई नुकसान के बिहार, बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी बाबुल के द्वारा.
That's gone straight up in the air, no fielder there, top edge, and landing in the stands, a big one. That's a big one, but it isn't big enough. That's an easy one. Oh my gosh. Ashwin Hebbar at deep mid wicket. That's as easy as it comes. He's absolutely distraught. That's a big hit. Has it cleared? It certainly has. Another one goes and hits the fence. You had to do something silly, not required at all. You're getting 6s and 4s playing conventional shots. What was the need of that? Wow.
और स्लोअर बॉल फ्लिक करना चाहते थे, बीट हो गए. धीमी गति की गेंदबाजी, और शशिकांत को दूसरी सफलता मिलती हुई. बाबुल जो अभी तक बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे.
That's pulled away. That'll go into the stands. It's a good strike this.
और जबरदस्त शॉट, स्लॉग स्वीप, गनी के बल्ले से एक और छक्का निकलता हुआ. स्लो बॉल थी गिरिनाथ के द्वारा, गति परिवर्तन, बैक ऑफ द हैंड, लेकिन बिल्कुल सही पड़ा.
Last ball of the innings coming up here. Will they get to 185? No, just played down the ground. They're looking for the second. And that's good running that. And Bihar finished the innings at 181 for 2. This is the highest score by Bihar in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. And it's been a terrific innings. And the driving force of the Bihar batting lineup has been Babul Kumar. He played a superb knock.
20 ओवर के बाद 181 पर 2, और ये लक्ष्य 182 का लक्ष्य आंध्रा को 20 ओवर में 9.7-10 की औसत से करना.
Saket to Abhishek. Here we go. Run straight away, opens his account with that single. Hint of swing there, but he'll get off the mark with a boundary. Oh, wicket number 1. Right through him. That's the breakthrough that Bihar required here. Find the gap, find the boundary. That's a big hit, and it will clear the fence. The first big hit of this inning.
एक बार फिर से जोर से मारने की कोशिश, जैसे कि मैं बात कर रहा था कि बॉल को ऊपर डालने की कोशिश होनी चाहिए, और यहां पे फुट मूवमेंट से ऐसा लगा कि वो बैक पे तैयार थे.
Oh, what a terrific effort that was. Saket almost picked up another wicket here. That would have been his third. There is the third wicket we were talking about. This time you couldn't clear the fielder. Found the gap. Bit of width on offer. Nicely put away.
Is there a little nick? There is. That's a huge wicket. That's a big one, and then you can make out from the celebrations how much this wicket means to them. That's beautifully timed. What? Look at that timing. There's a run-out chance. There is. Yes, gone. Look at the pickup. Look at the pickup by the keeper on the half volley. Look at this pickup. He made a bad throw look really good. That's what good keepers do.
जबरदस्त विकेट कीपिंग. शेख रशीद 15 पर आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए 68 पर 5. एक बार फिर बेहतरीन शॉट, कलाइयों का बेहतरीन उपयोग और 6 रन.
बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश और बिल्कुल कामयाब होते हुए. जबरदस्त शॉट शिंदे द्वारा. एक और बार बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश. क्या इसको पार करा पाएंगे? जी हां, बिल्कुल. इस बार कवर्स के ऊपर से खेलते हुए जबरदस्त स्ट्रोक.
Ricky Bui trying to go over the top and succeeds.
That will be his 50 for sure. That's 4. Beautifully placed, and bowler erring in line over here with 5 fielders in the offside bowling on the leg side. Another one over covers. This one at its best. The best of the lot so far. Not an easy shot to hit, but this man can make it look easy. That's up in the air. The cover fielder underneath should be an easy one. And it's taken, and Ricky Bui has given it away. Wasn't required at all. All the hard work being done. That's another 4. Now he's given it away. There was no need for this whatsoever, and against the run of play, there's a wicket that's come, and it's the big one. Chance of a direct hit would have got them in trouble, maybe. Needed a direct hit. 19 gone, 179 for 7. 3 required of 6 balls. Is that out? It is. First ball wasn't required. Yeah, no point hitting your helmet with the bat now, but really wasn't required. And that point fielder is on the 30-yard circle. He's the only one who's in the 30-yard circle. You won't be able to stop a single from there. That's a huge hit. No more single required. A flat 6. That's a statement shot to finish the game. What's the fuss all about? What in a spot of bother. Some special innings.